Hello folks, we're again back with the next video where we are taking up this 11th problem. It's exactly identical like the previous problem, only the little bit of the curve and little bit of the tangent value is changing. So I've kept the steps identical as it is, and then we'll continue from there. Let's read the question. Find the equation of all the lines having slope 2 which are tangents to the curve y equal to 1 by x minus 3. Small alterations. Otherwise the question is very similar to what we have done in the 10th question. So I've kept the steps as it is. Y, this is the curve and this is the slope. As usual, we'll do dy by dx, then we'll match the values, get the points. After getting the points, since you already know the slope, we can calculate and find out the equations of the two lines. Let's see now how that comes. So that's about it. We have found out y is this. So dy by dx, first the derivative of the exponent, then the derivative of the base. Derivative of the exponent is nx raised to n minus 1. So that way you are getting this. Base is x minus 3. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of 3 is 0. So into 1 only doesn't contribute much. So your overall derivative is minus 1 by x minus 3 raised to 2 when we write it in the denominator. Now since they have told us that slope of the tangent is 2, it means that dy by dx is 2. dy by dx value, we have got it as minus 1 by x minus 3 the whole square. So we're substituting it. Now let's work it out. That minus x minus 3, let's see this. X minus 3 whole square is going on the other side and the 2 is coming on this side. So it's becoming maybe minus half. Let's have that like this and then let's work this out. So x minus 3 the whole square means when we expand it, x squared minus 6x plus 9. A minus b the whole square is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So also this is minus half, which has to come on this side. So x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus half. 9 plus half is 9 and a half, which is 19 by 2. But if you are not able to do it, then you can just calculate it into 2 into 2. So 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. So x squared minus 6x plus 19 by 2. Now other terms, they are whole numbers, but here it's a fraction. So we cannot work like that. We'll convert everything into fractions. Then only we are able to work. So for that, let's consider this denominator as 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Only denominator we cannot multiply by 2. We have to multiply the numerators also by 2 so that the value remains unaltered. So that's how you're getting 2x squared minus 12x plus 19 over 2. Everything has got the denominator 2 now. So this 2 can go on the other side. 0 into 2. So that your value becomes 2x squared minus 12x plus 19 equal to 0. 2 has gone on the other side. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. Now, in order to get the factors, 2 into 19, that's 38. Doesn't look so easy. So we'll do one thing. Whenever we find splitting the middle term is difficult to find the factors of x, you can quickly go to the discriminant formula and use a quadratic formula and get the answer. That will be more easier. So let's go for the quadratic formula, which says that x is minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So let's take that. So what's our value of x? Minus b. B itself is minus 12. So minus b is 12. Root of b squared. B squared is 144, 12 squared, minus 4ac. 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 19. 9 8s are 72, 15, 152 by 2a. 2a is 4. Oh, here is a problem. Please check this. 144 minus 152 is negative 8. Negative 8 discriminant, we don't have a real value, and we know that whenever you have a negative discriminant, then the root does not exist. So we'll write, therefore x does not exist. If x does not exist means the point does not exist, isn't it? If the point does not exist, that means the tangent does not exist. So you cannot find such tangent. That's the thing. So x does not exist. So therefore tangents with given slope do not exist. With given slope not exist. Something is like, though it is very identical with the previous question, see how the problem is turning. In the previous question, we could get two equations, but here now we are not even able to get even one equation because there is not even a single point which is satisfying the condition that's given to us. So that's how it is. Not every question will have a solution. This is how it works. So that's the way that we solve this problem. Now after this is over, we'll go to the next problem, problem number 12, but that's in the next video. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.